So in this video, I am going to answer three main questions about Python. What is Python? Who use Python? And what can you do with Python? In this channel, we make different kind of programming and tech related videos. If you are new, consider to subscribe. Watch the video till the end. So let's jump into the video. So now here is question number 1. What is Python? Python is a programming language written by Guido van Rossum in 1990s. Python is extremely most popular, most paid, easiest programming language. Python makes every complex thing simple. This makes Python easy to learn and productive. Almost any kind of programming task is easier with Python than with other programming languages. Python is a scripting language. The programs are fed into Python's interpreter, which runs the program directly, so there is no compiling. Python is a dynamically typed language, so you never need to worry about the data types in your program. And Python has a lot of built-in and third-party libraries. A library is a bunch of code for doing something specific. It makes your work easier because every time you start a new program, you don't have to start from the scratch. And mostly, Python is free. The license term for Python respect your freedom. You can download and run any Python program without paying any money. And now question number 2. Who use Python? In the space. In the International Space Station, Robonaut, 2 robot uses Python for its central command system. And another example in the music industry. Spotify service uses Python to send you music. And another example is in the video industry. Netflix uses Python to make sure that movie play without stopping. And Python use a lot for YouTube also. And another one is recommendation system. At present, big companies such as YouTube, Amazon, Netflix using Python for their product and video recommendation. In internet search, Google uses Python all over in its early development phase. In your OS, operating system like Linux, Mac OS X using Python for some of their administrative functions. And now, question number 3. What can you do with Python? Using Tkinter and QT framework, you can make GUI, graphical user interface application that interact directly with the user. And you can write high graphics game using the Pygame module. And also you can make Android application using the Kivy framework. Using OpenCV library, you can experiment with computer vision. For example, image recognition, video recognition, and etc. Using the Flask, Pyramid, or Django, you can do web programming and you can create wonderful website. And also it has a content management system called Django CMS. Data science and machine learning. At present, most of the programmers are using Python for big data, machine learning, artificial intelligence system, deep learning, random forest, and data analysis, and data virtualization. And now, Scikit-learn and TensorFlow is most popular machine learning libraries at present. And let me know, which feature of Python you like most. Please let me know in the comment box. And if you think that this video was helpful for you, please like my video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel right now to get more updates in the future. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to turn on the notification to take the updates about every single video.